Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Trigger Kraken X1. First, ensure your camera is off before attaching the receiver to its hot shoe mount. Next, insert two AA batteries into both the transmitter and receiver units, paying attention to polarity. Once batteries are in, power on both devices by holding their respective power buttons until the indicator lights illuminate. This establishes the initial connection for seamless operation. With your Kraken X1 units powered on, set your camera to manual mode for optimal control over your flash. To test the connection, simply press the large test button on the transmitter. Your external flash should fire instantly. Remember, you'll adjust the flash power settings directly on your speedlight or studio strobe, not on the Kraken X1 transmitter itself. This allows for precise light control. The Kraken X1 offers advanced features for complex lighting setups. You can assign different flash units to specific groups, allowing independent power adjustments for each. For bright conditions, enable high-speed sync to use shutter speeds faster than 1/250th of a second, freezing action with ease. Dive into the menu to customize channels and ID, ensuring your triggers operate without interference from other wireless devices. If your Kraken X1 isn't firing, first check the battery levels in both the transmitter and receiver. Low power is a common culprit. Also, confirm that both units are set to the exact same channel and ID to ensure proper communication. For a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep your units clean with a soft, dry cloth and store them in a protective case to prevent damage and extend their lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.